Welcome to Old Edwards Reserve at Lake Keowee. Introducing 130 River Ridge. Welcome to 130 River Ridge, a home that captures the relaxed luxury and natural beauty of life at Lake Keowee. With 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and more than 5,500 square feet of living space, this home was designed for comfort, connection, and easy entertaining. More than 1,000 square feet of covered porch space brings the outdoors in, giving you room to enjoy quiet mornings, long afternoons, and lake evenings with family and friends. This community is positioned to be a long-term investment with its scale, luxury, amenities, 30 miles of shoreline, not to mention an award-winning golf course. This home is poised to be a second home, even a retirement retreat, or a luxury primary residence on Lake Keowee. This community is definitely member-oriented, so it gives it more of a cohesive vibe versus your normal transactional development. Whether you're hosting guests, enjoying the porches, or taking advantage of everything the community has to offer, this is a home that delivers the full Lake Keowee experience. I'm Robert Whitesides with the Go-To Group at Agent Group Realty, and this is 130 River Ridge. You can find this property and many other great properties at realestategotogroup.com.